Meron akong gusto malaman yung
Ano?
were there people shouting at you while you were doing the free throws?
Gosh,
Where people...
I'm sure there was.
But
No?
wala na.
Pero
You don't hear them.
Wala ka na narinig
Okay.
doon, no? Focus ka na
Some
on
players will
your
also
free throws.
walk towards you
Wala
and
naman,
say something.
during that
May mga
time,
ganun eh.
I tried to.
Wala naman.
Once I got fouled, I tried to remain focused and not look up too much. Basta focus lang sa moment. But you know what I will say is what I miss and what I miss for the generation now is just how many people were watching.
Yeah, oo.
Diba? So, you know, it's not, I know it was the finals but I can honestly say na the crowd during that time, almost every game, dami nanonood. And iba yun compared to, you know, now of course. And I wish our players, all the players get to experience playing na punong-puno yung Araneta.
Yung venue,
diba?
no?
Iba yun.
Parang
Iba
iba.
yung feeling na.
Parang 30 years na rin halos kasi 95.
Oo,
correct.
30 years ago.
Correct. Tagal
Diba?
na nun. Wala pang social media.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
Oo. Like, I think the internet also made people watch online more
you can
than,
watch it.
than live.
No more eagerness to after work. Sige,
I guess
LRT tayo, papuntang Cubao.
Oo,
wala
now
nang
it's
ganun.
easier
It's
nga
just watch on your phone.
I think what they need to, yung mga audience, ma-realize is that yung sa live PBA game, you get to be with your fellow fans cheering. Yung moment na magtitingin na kayo, you're high-fiving strangers because someone
true.
made the crucial 2 free throw shots.
Saka yung mga asar ka.
Oo.
Asar ka sa kabilang fans.
Nakasal ka. True. So yun yung beauty ng live.
Iba pa rin pag PBA experience.
Oo, pag live,
yeah.
diba? Yung ramdam mo yung
Tsaka naririnig mo yung mga mga hampas, tsaka yung mga banggaan, vlog.
Oo.
Tapos makikita mo kung sino yung nagre-reklamo, kung sino yung maangat. Tapos marinig mo yung mura na coaching. Diba? Iba pa rin yun eh.
There's a lot you don't see on TV. Totoo yun.
When you made those 2 crucial free throws, do you remember what you were wearing, like the shoes?
Oh God.
Did you keep those and like have to wear this kasi crucial yung game? Do you have that? Do you have superstitions on
not too much.
Not too much.
Not too much, to be honest. But I will say those free throws kasi that was to win the championship.
Yeah.
So after that, what I will say is what I wore, if I'm not mistaken, I wore the Scottie Pippens. Yung nakalagay air.
Yes.
Air up tempo.
Air up tempo. Pero you can see it says spelled air on the side.
Yeah.
You know? So I was able to see that. Actually, binili ko yun in San Francisco.
Really?
So before the conference, I was home, went to the mall, and then I saw it. And yung kulay niya was perfect sa uniform. You know, black,
match.
red, and black.
Yeah.
Black, red, and white.
Yeah.
So Chicago Bulls colors. No, it was perfect. Sabi ko, sige, I'm gonna buy this and save it for the playoffs. So yun yung nangyari.
Ganda.
Yeah.
Favorite dito si Scottie Pippen. He's one of his
Idol.
favorite players. Yeah.
Best yun.
Galing.
Yeah. Do you have any favorite players like the shoes that you want to wear aside from the colors lang? Meron ka bang NBA players that you wore their shoes because you're a fan of them?
You know, I went through a lot of the Nike athletes, you know, during that time. So I tried on the Jason Kidds. I did Kevin Garnett. I did your basic air up tempo, ganun. But honestly, I also wore Jordans. So during that time, it was still medyo okay. You're younger, so it doesn't feel as heavy, diba? But I wore Jordans a lot, especially during the finals or during the playoffs.
Favorite Jordans na sinuot mo on court?
Jordan 10 and 11.
Really?
10 and 11. Right.
Oh,
so RDO, nice shoes.
Oo.
Malaki. Ito, 10 years na to. 2015 pa to eh.
Talaga? Yeah.
Matibay siya, matibay.
Yeah.
Mga Jordan kasi, ngayon pag sinuot mo na yung ibang Jordan panlaro, medyo mahirap na ipanglaro.
Oo nga eh. So that's the difference now, no? Yung mga shoes is really easier to wear on court.
Yeah.
compared to yung mga dati.
Saka pansinin mo, not a lot of players wear high top.
Oo.
Puro low top na sila ngayon. So,
Or mid. May
or
sometimes mid.
yeah.
They say yun daw ang rason why a lot of players are now getting injured
Achilles,
sa
Achilles or
Do you-
sprained ankles.
Do you think so? Do you think the same? Yung ganyan ng
Hindi naman siguro masyado kasi
Mm-mm.
yung mga Achilles naman sa tingin ko bago pa yan ma-injure may mga micro tear na yan eh. Baga may mga maliliit na yan na tear. Alam mo yung last yung goma, yung rubber band, minsan di ba pag ginanon mo, may makikita kang parang gano'n.
may punit.
So pag naputol na yun na
Yun na
yun.
yung start.
Parang
start.
gano'n yun eh. Sa tingin ko hindi lang na ma-manage masyado. Or pagod na yung muscles niya. Sobrang pagod.
Correct.
Hindi na nakakapag-recover.
Mm.
Ewan ko kung may kinalaman yung shoes dun sa...
Sabi nila sometimes because they wear
yeah.
yung ano na. Kasi dati sa atin long, yung high cut. So pag natapilo ka, you just tighten the okay na yan. So parang
meron
may
namang mga
support
ankle
siya.
support ngayon eh.
Okay.
Ankle support.
Yung mga tape na I think.
Yung mga tape na rin.
Thank you for watching Balyahan with GB and RDO, powered by Sports Plus, the official gaming partner of the Philippine Olympic Committee. Kung nagustuhan mo ang napanood mo, here's some more videos. Huwag mo rin kalimutang mag-like, comment at subscribe para lagi kang first dibs sa bagong videos ng Balyahan.